high temperature paint's taken a real hiding. So that will come off over the holiday break and get a recoat, bring it back to the sort of cast metal-y look that it was before. Time for a bit of a birthday refresh for the Twin Shock Trials Masters that's on at the end of this month. So going to give the pipe a new coat of VHT paint. It didn't survive that well on the first coat, but so hopefully we'll get a better key this time and go in for a next coat of VHT paint. Using the VHT flame-proof paint. So 3 coats. This is only the first coat, but two light coats and a final coat. Need to replace the gear selector seal. It's weeping. I didn't wash the bike down because I wanted to find out where the leak is coming from, so I'll replace that with a new seal. Probably put the new guard on for the Masters, and also probably put the new front guard on for the Masters. That crack is starting to show through, so I'll give it another repair and use that for hard work. Oh, dumb. Still in good nick, apart from the big crack. I'll give it a polish up, but I think I'll put the fresh one on for the Masters. Here we go, all back together. VHT cast iron high temperature paint. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.